Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. And now I've started researching on cryptocurrency. I want to understand this cryptocurrency very well. And as I understand it, and as I guide people, I'm also benefiting. My work is very simple. I want us all to have money in our pockets. I want us all to have something in our pockets. I don't want us to be broke. I don't want us to suffer. And why cryptos? Why should you be in the cryptocurrency? One, the billionaires are there. Listen, guys, by the time you get money and you become a millionaire or a billionaire, you are smart up here. There is no billionaire who will take his money and throw it in the dustbin. No, billionaires don't do that. No rich man will take his money and throw it away there. Elon Musk is there. I have his book and I've read his book, and he's a very smart man, very smart upstairs. So Elon Musk is there. Mark Zuckerberg is there. In fact, he changed the name of his company from Facebook to Meta, and now he's in Metaverse. All the rich people, or maybe not all, because there is Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is not there. I don't have his book here. Warren Buffett is not in cryptos, but many of the rich people, be it Larry Page, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, most of the billionaires, I'm not talking of rich people in Kenya, rich people globally, they are in this thing and they are making money. So one of the reasons you should be in, why crypto? One, the billionaires are there and you should be there too. Secondly, there's a man, a very rich man, who decided to send to his girlfriend 100 million. He sent his girlfriend 100 million shillings. Man, 100 million is a lot of money. But he has a lot of it, courtesy of crypto. He's a crypto billionaire, and a European guy. So man, if you want excess money, then this is the place to be. Well, the money is there if you are smart. And I'm researching on it so that all of us, I can teach all of us, and all of us can be smart in it. And all of us can then make the money. Secondly, and the most important, the reason why you should be in crypto is because these things grow quickly. In 24 hours, you can find that a coin has grown by nearly 10%. In 24 hours, a coin has grown by 20%. In 24 hours, some coins grow by 30%. In 24 hours, some coins grow by nearly 100%. So imagine you had 100,000 yesterday, and in 24 hours, it doubles to 200,000. That's a lot of money. But even if the coin grows by just 2% every day, as in today you get 2%, tomorrow again you get another coin that gives you 2%. So if you make 2% every day, and that's what I'm trying to do with the guys in my VIP group. If you're not in the VIP group, join the VIP group. That's where we learn these things and do it practically. Well, not all coins go up very quickly. Some coins drop and some coins remain stagnant. But our goal is to make 2%. Like today in the morning, by the way, I wake up very early. 1 a.m. I'm awake, 2 a.m. I'm awake. I research on these coins and recommend these coins to the guys in my VIP group. So today in the morning, I recommended a coin called ANX. ANX was about 70 USDT. Then after about 4 hours, it had gone from 70 to about 75 USDT, making about 6% return in 3 hours. 6% in 3 hours is very good. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're not in cryptos, join our Telegram group. That's where I teach people about cryptos. Join our Telegram group, and more specifically, join the VIP group. That's where I guide people on cryptos in details. We do analysis of these coins. we research on these coins, we look at the market trends and buy these coins. Our aim every day is to make 2%. Well, some coins give us more. Some coins give you 6%. Some coins give you even 10%. Like I recommended Jasmine. Jasmine went about 10%. I recommended GMT. GMT went about 40%. Of course, it went to 40% before it started going down. We've recommended many coins. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. You need to learn cryptos. Thank you very much. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'll be doing more videos on cryptos to teach us, to guide us, to educate us. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.